Hello, it's another cold and frosty start for much of the UK. Temperatures fell below -10 celsius across the Scottish Highlands. A good deal of crisp Sunday sunshine on offer this afternoon. A few exceptions. A bit more cloud across parts of southwest and southern England. Also some showers feeding in across northern Scotland and down some eastern coast. But for most, it stays dry this afternoon. There'll be some spells of sunshine. Temperatures after that cold start getting up to between 4 to 8 Celsius, maybe just 1 or 2 for parts of southern Scotland and the far north of England. Now, through this evening and overnight, the skies become clear across much of England and Wales, but cloud increases across Northern Ireland, also across Scotland. I'll bring some outbreaks of rain here as the night wears on, so it will be a much milder night. Temperatures at least 3 or 4 degrees above freezing. Elsewhere, though, particularly for England and Wales, getting below freezing, so a widespread frost to start the day tomorrow. We'll look at the week ahead in some detail in a moment, but just to sum it up, cold at first, then turning milder from the north, further risk of fog through the week, and then wetter and windier for most of us by the time we get to Friday. We start the new week with this area of high pressure. Notice, though, this front just grazing the far north of Scotland. That will continue to introduce more cloud, bring some outbreaks of rain through the day. Some of that rain may just get down into the central belt, southern Scotland by the end of the afternoon. Fairly cloudy for Northern Ireland, a bit more cloud increasing across northern and northwest England and North Wales. But for much of England and Wales, dry and fairly sunny day with light winds, brisker winds though for the Western Isles, feeding in some milder air. So temperatures here 9, maybe 10 Celsius. Elsewhere, we're looking at 6 to 8 Celsius. Again, may struggle where we see the cloud through the afternoon. Now, as we go through Monday evening, that rain will start to pull away into the Northern Isles and most places will become dry overnight. We've still got this area of high pressure on Tuesday. Starts to drift its way south and eastwards, and slowly that's going to be providing some moister air. So on Tuesday morning for England and Wales, the fog returning could well be widespread and dense in places, bringing some very poor visibility and may well linger through much of the day as well. So actually for much of the UK on Tuesday, it's a dry day. More cloud still for Scotland and at times for Northern Ireland. Brisker breeze still for the Western Isles, where it will remain mild. Temperatures for England, Wales, Northern Ireland, 6 to 9 Celsius, may struggle where that fog is slow to clear. And again, some fog problems on Tuesday for England and Wales. For Northern Ireland and Scotland, we've got a frontal system sliding its way south and eastwards. Most of the rain probably across northern Scotland and into the central belt. Still mild across Scotland and also Northern Ireland, but still on the cold side for much of England and Wales away from southwest England. Then some changes once again as we go into Thursday. Notice that the isobars are closer together. Some really potentially heavy rain on Thursday, particularly for Scotland, just clipping Northern Ireland for a time. Cloud increasing down into northern England and North Wales. Further south and east, still dry, still some sunshine. Notice those temperatures are starting to come up, a sign of things to come. But by the end of the week, changes across the UK. A windy day for all of us. This frontal system will provide some quite heavy rain. This time, the heaviest of the rain probably across England and Wales, but also introducing something milder. So a much milder end to the week, but it will be fairly windy. It will also be quite wet, a really messy picture potentially on Friday. Heaviest of the rain, as I mentioned, across England and Wales, but still some outbreaks of rain into Northern Ireland and Scotland. But notice the difference in temperatures. By the end of the week, we're all into double figures, but it won't be lasting very long. Colder again by the weekend. Have a good afternoon.